Bit of a miserable day. Alright. And a full garage. So, this is the plan. You're going to take this. I'm going to figure out what my measurements are. We've got 180 by 180 by 44. It's an old sink from the chemistry department at work. We're going to make that into something that you can see tucked away. I can put my kegels on, which may eventually end up by my Keza in this junk pile once I move all the junk.
This USA. Yeah.
Right, well, we can put them. We can put them in A5 to me there's nothing there. So I'll check that.
Well, this is the plan. Top rails, bottom rails, sides, outer legs, middle legs. Those dimensions are paying attention to whether I'm having a through, whether I'm only needing 60mm coming in before it hits a through. We'll see. These are the bits that'll go inside, and these are the feet that'll go on the outside. First of the boring steps, file the ends. Done. All the edges are filed off. Now it's time to put some fittings on. A little bit further along, I've got the fittings on the first of them. These are all of the leg pieces, so I'm going to put caps on the bottoms and then I'll finish assembling. I'm not filming much of this because it's really hard to do it one-handed and hold the camera, and I don't have my little tripod camera thingy with me today. There we go. End up with ones like that. And here you go, all finished and put together. I had been wanting to have all of the hex fittings on the outside to make it easier to modify, but obviously I've fucked that one up. Can I be bothered fixing it? Not at the moment. It's a bit of a bugger getting those bits on when you've already got, it's probably a two-person job. So now, get that on here. So here we go as the rain comes in and I have to start packing up in a hurry. Sink is on. Need to clean up some junk, and it definitely needs a clean. It is scungy. But yeah, my garage is scungy at the moment, so yeah, very pleased. I'll try and add a glamour shot at some stage, or I might do a bit of a tour when I get the welding done on those kegels. Cheers.